Sometimes home insurance agrees to pay for a storm-damaged roof. Claim approved, storm-damaged payment, but please, reuse those vents. Well, insurance, I'm not going to do that to my client because ARMA, which represents the makers of shingles, puts it in black and white. You put brand new shingles on a roof, you bring in new vents. Show insurance what the shingle maker says. And now I'm going to put on my AirVent hat, please. We never envisioned the day would come. Somebody fastens down shingle vent 2, removes it tomorrow, and reinstalls it the next day. It's such a small fraction of the cost. So you're going to pay 15 grand for a new roof insurance, and you're going to be worried about the 1,000 for the vents? We're not reusing vents.